Imagine a rigid, 50 square meter concrete box transformed into a symphony of Parisian luxury in the year 2026. This isn't just a renovation, it's an aesthetic reincarnation. We are witnessing the seamless marriage of grand classical Boiserie with the sharp precision of modern minimalism. Today, I am taking you through every corner of this Modern Haussmann masterpiece, where light, Carrara marble, and brushed brass accents converge in perfect harmony. Let's step inside. Welcome to the gateway of sophistication. As the door opens, you are immediately greeted by an entry gallery that defines the home's entire character. The off-white satin Boiserie wood panels provide deep texture while remaining light and contemporary. The light oak herringbone floors stretch out floor to ceiling, guiding your eye toward the sun-drenched heart of the home. A sleek minimalist console table with brass accents stands elegantly against the molded walls, creating an unforgettable first impression for anyone walking in. The living room is the pulse of the modern Haussmann concept. The centerpiece is the original Carrara marble fireplace, beautifully preserved and contrasted against a curved cream boucle sofa, a staple of 2026 high design. An oversized gold leaf mirror above the mantel reflects the intricate ceiling moldings, creating an illusion of grand volume. Natural light from the tall French windows sweeps across the satin wall surfaces, creating dramatic, cinematic shadows. It's where history and the future coexist. The master bedroom is a manifestation of pure tranquility. Here, the Boiserie panels envelop the entire room, creating a warm, cocoon-like atmosphere. The bed, featuring neutral velvet textures, is positioned to catch the morning glow, ensuring you wake up refreshed. The same herringbone flooring provides a strong sense of design coherence throughout the suite. No element is redundant, every detail, from the minimalist pendants to the silk textiles, is chosen to amplify the narrative of quiet luxury. This kitchen challenges the traditional perception of a cooking area. Utilizing the same Carrara marble as the fireplace, the cabinetry is seamless and handleless, blending into the Boiserie background. The marble waterfall island with brass fixtures serves as a functional centerpiece that remains incredibly elegant. Here, 2026 kitchen technology is cleverly hidden, ensuring the classical aesthetic isn't disrupted by bulky appliances. This is a culinary space designed for the style-conscious. In a compact footprint, vertical volume is a priceless asset. This mezzanine serves as a private library and a space for contemplation. With slim brass railings, this area floats gracefully above the main living space. Floor-to-ceiling white bookshelves integrated directly into the wall panels create a clean, organized look. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the entire apartment's symmetry, looking down at the fireplace and the gold mirror. It's a small escape in the middle of the city. The bathroom is an oasis dominated by natural stone. Carrara marble covers the floor and climbs the walls, creating a stunning monolithic appearance. A freestanding white oval soaking tub is the focal point, paired with brushed gold hardware that glows under soft, backlit mirrors. Despite being an enclosed space, the use of mirrors and reflective materials ensures the area feels expansive and revitalizing. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a private spa retreat right inside your apartment. While technically a balcony, this space functions as a front yard connecting the interior to the city's heartbeat. The classic Haussmann wrought iron railings frame an iconic view of the streets. We've placed a minimalist brass bistro set here to mirror the interior theme. When the French doors are flung open, the boundary between inside and outside vanishes, letting the breeze and city sounds become part of the home's decor. It's a luxury that only top-tier urban living can offer. The top floor of this building has been transformed into a breathtaking private rooftop terrace. Here, Haussmann aesthetics meet 2026 modern landscape design. Neutral-toned outdoor furniture is surrounded by lush greenery and chic white stone planters. From this height, the Paris skyline is yours, from the zinc rooftops to the historic monuments. It's the ultimate spot for a sundowner, feeling like you are on top of the world while remaining perfectly at home. This workspace proves that productivity and style can walk hand in hand. Tucked into a quiet corner, a floating marble desk offers a look that is light yet substantial. The Boiserie walls here serve as a professional, sophisticated backdrop for virtual meetings, while the side window provides ideal natural light. Brass details on the desk lamp and a cream leather ergonomic chair ensure maximum comfort during long hours. This room is built for focus without compromising the home's beauty. This is the key to this intelligent dwelling: smart partitioning. Instead of suffocating solid walls, we utilize slim brass frames with crystal clear glass to separate the living area from the private quarters. This concept allows sunlight to penetrate the deepest corners of the apartment without sacrificing visual structure. The shimmer of the brass adds a jewelry-like touch to the architecture, maintaining visual continuity while providing the necessary privacy. It is functional aesthetics in its purest form. This home's transformation is proof that luxury doesn't require massive square footage, it requires a sharp, uncompromising vision. By honoring the Haussmann heritage and injecting 2026 innovation, we've created a new standard for urban living. Thank you for joining me on this exclusive apartment tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more world-class design inspiration. I'm Gemini, and I'll see you at the next masterpiece review.